Okay guys, so I just did my Rihanna, my Savage Fenty look shoot. Hello my loves and welcome to my channel. Sincere I am because I am sincere to you. Okay guys, this is going to be a fun video tutorial and this will actually be a tutorial. Okay guys, I am going to do Miss Bad Girl Riri Valentine Day look that she did for her Valentine Day collection. And you guys know that my little sis, my baby girl, is pregnant, so congratulations to her. Okay, so I'm going to do this look and it's like a simple look. I don't even think if she did use a lot of makeup on there, it's not with the eyeshadow because it looks like it's just one color eyeshadow all over her eyes. But I'm going to get straight into doing my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna go from there to my makeup and I'll show you guys what I'm using. But I'm not gonna talk this video because I notice when I talk my videos be too long. So I'm just gonna go through these things, say certain stuff to you. You're gonna hear music, then I'm gonna show you what I'm using, and hey, I'm gonna show you the final outlook. All right, let's get into this. Okay guys, here's the final outcome of the wig that I spray painted to do Rihanna Fenty Valentine's Day look. So here's the wig. Okay guys, so you just saw the wig, so now I got to go do something to my hair and put my makeup on. I got to put my hair back and put my makeup on to do my Bad Girl Riri Valentine's Day look. Okay. Okay guys, I don't know which one of these I'm going to wear because honestly, I don't know which one I could fit. I'm quite sure I could still fit this one, but this is not a teddy, but I don't know. But I'm going to wear one of these because you guys know Rihanna had on her lingerie. And I didn't order her lingerie because I know I'm trying to lose weight, but I'm going to put one of these on. Here are a few of the pieces that I'm going to wear. You know, Rihanna loved her crosses, and I do too. I had this cross since 2004 or 2005. And this cross around I think I got this cross in 2001. And this one they was making costume jewelry that lasts. Because you guys see this have not tarnished and none of the stones are missing. So I just have to find some necklaces to put this on. And this is going to be some of the jewelry that I'm going to wear. And I'll probably find some more like rhinestones jewelry. But yeah, getting ready for the Rihanna set. Photo shoot. Okay guys, I found another cross. Let me open up this curtain for you guys to see. I found another cross. This is a cute cross. I really like this. Yeah. This needs to be clean. It's not tarnished. It's just showing up like that on the camera, but yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm going to get straight into this makeup look. Now, I really want to use my NARS foundation because it gives me the full coverage that I like. But because this is for a Bad Girl Riri, Rihanna Fenty, you know, her Savage Fenty collection, I'm going to use the makeup that I have from her, which is the Rihanna Powder Foundation. I only have two things from her actually. It's the Rihanna Powder Foundation and her lipstick, but I'm going to have to use the Anastasia Soft Glam, and I'm going to use the color Sienna. I'm going to use that color right there, Sienna. And then I'm going to use my MAC, I can't even say the name of it, my MAC Loudspeaker blush, okay? But I'm not going to use my NARS foundation that I really like to use to give me the full coverage. I'm just going to use the Fenty Powder foundation, so you probably see me apply it again and again to get the coverage that I need. But hey, we're going to get this look, all right? Let's get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with doing my eyebrows, guys. I started doing my eyebrows because guess what? It does make it pop. Let's do this. And y'all know I'm new to doing my eyebrows, so don't judge me harshly because I know you're gonna judge. Okay. And I used my e.l.f. concealer. You guys know about the Tarte, but I'm sticking to this one. So guys, I'm gonna be quiet during the rest of this video, so enjoy the music. Okay, so we're about to apply the eyeshadow. And like I said, on the picture that I show you guys right here, you see that she used, basically it looked like she used one color all over. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use the Sienna, or as you write here, Sienna, okay? Okay, girls and guys. Okay, baby. There we go. Now, I told you I'm going to apply a lot of this press powder on because I want it to give me the coverage that I like, right? So, I'm applying some more of the powder foundation. So, Rihanna also put like a little color up under her under eyes, so I'm going to do that also. Now, this is my first time. I think this is my second time ever doing this, so let's see how it goes. You put it right up underneath your waterline. Okay. I had to darken my little mole, baby, my two. So, she also got black eyeliner going across her upper lid. I normally don't like doing that, but I'm going to do it because we're doing a what? The Bad Gal Riri tutorial. So, this is going to be my first time doing this. Let's see how it goes. Oh, okay, guys, I did that. And I did it thick, just how she have hers. So let's do the other one. Lord. You know what, guys? This is burning. I don't know if that's normal, but it's burning. Now, the reason that I normally don't do this is because I have tight eyes. I have almond eyes, right? So when I put, like, I notice when I put on eyelashes or I do a lot of stuff in my eyes besides just mascara, it make my eyes smaller. And I don't want my eyes smaller because I smile a lot, so then I look like this. Okay, guys, these are my two mascaras that I like, the Clinique and the Wet n Wild mascara. Now, I like the wand on the Wet n Wild mascara. This is a good mascara. It don't dry your eyelashes out. It don't condition it as good as this Clinique, but it is a good mascara. So I'm going to use this because it's going to thin and spread. It's going to spread my eyelashes apart, okay? So, first of all, we're going to go down, up top. Then we're going to go up. When you go up, you shake to separate. Sometimes I find myself shaking my head. I can't be the only person who do that. Now I'm going to tell you, the reason why a lot of people do their eyebrows and everything off camera, because you got to get so close into looking at the mirror that sometimes you get off camera. But the way I set this up with my cell phone, you can still see me, but normally it's kind of difficult. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the lower lash, the bottom lashes. And I'm gonna use this if I can get close up, okay? Okay guys, there we go. If I put more concealer down there, it'll be looking real bright up under my eyes and you'll be able to see it. But I didn't, so this is how I like it though. I don't know about y'all, but guess what? I like it. And that's what counts, right? So, more powder, right? So now let's get straight into putting on this blush. Y'all know I love blush. Rihanna put her blush on. It's like they go like this. And you can actually see it. Some people, they put their blush on where you can barely see it, but her blush is always bold. Because after I use this, actually I'm going to use a gold blush. I'm going to tell you what color it is. This is a skin finisher. It's Gold Deposit. Gold Deposit Skin Finisher by MAC. Okay? Gold Deposit Skin Finisher by MAC. So I'm going to take this over here to get that gold look that Rihanna get. You can use any brand because it's a store-bought brand. I can't think of the name of it right now, but I think it's by Mazzini or Mazzana. I love they here you go right here. This Baker Bronze. I think this is by Mazzini or Mazzana. I can't see it on here, but I love all of their good blushes and stuff. Milani, that's the name of it. Okay guys, so Bad Gal Riri, of course she used her lip gloss and it looked like she used a brown lip liner. I don't have a brown lip liner, so I'm going to go with this by Morphe. It's called Vibes. Okay, now Rihanna normally let a little bit of her lip liner show, like it be popping out where you can see that it's traced with the line. I don't really care for that, but because we're doing the Bad Gal Riri look and it worked for her, I'm going to do it for me and make it work for me, okay? All right, all right, all right. Woo. So now, guys, here's the finale of the makeup part. Rihanna Glow. Fenty Glow, baby. We gonna glow and grow this year. Okay, guys, there we have it. Rihanna Valentine Day look. Okay, guys, do whatever eyeshadow work best for you that's close to the brown family, that's in the brown shade, you know, because like we know Rihanna is, you know, what we could call in our culture a red bone, a fair skin, you know, she's a red bone. So I can't do a lot of colors that she can, and maybe you can, but I can't. So, and a lot of colors that she do, it just ain't gonna rock with me, okay? So here's the makeup look. Tell me guys what you think about this. So let's get to the other part, the wig, baby. I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the wig. So let's see how it go. This is my first time doing a video like this, so I'm kind of happy doing a look video and doing one of my little sis guys. Y'all know that I love me some Rihanna. And it's not her music, I like her. The person, the character that she seemed to have. The person she seemed to be. So let's try this. Guys, you can see this hair that I have in the back, but I'm going to figure out something to make it work. Because y'all know over here, baby, what I do, I always make it work for me. That's what we do over here. We make it work for us, honey. So, look at this. You know what I did? I'm gonna use this because I normally don't use this. So I'm gonna use this. I like it. What y'all think? How Rihanna do it? What I think? I like it, baby. So let me go get dressed and then you guys gonna see the pictures. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial because I really enjoyed doing it for you guys. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this tutorial, guys, because I really enjoyed doing it. And look, it's simple. You just use one eyeshadow, you know, use a powder foundation or a liquid foundation, put your blush on. It's a very simple, basic look. You know what I'm saying? Guys, you could do it. I did it. You could do it too with less than 5 products. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, again, leave a comment below, click the like button, and subscribe to my channel. Help your girl out.